I got a taste of the real world. I got battered on the North Shore. It gave me comfort when I always knew that. I always knew that you were there for me next door. I lived it hard on the long road. I ran through every single zip code. I get lonely, but I always knew that. I always knew that your heart I could call home, and nothing could ever stand in our way. Whether it all falls down, whether it all falls through, I know that you'll be waiting there for me when I come through. Even if I get knocked down, even if I get pushed through, I know you'll be standing there for me, strong like a statue. Oh, like a statue, statue. Oh, like a statue, statue. Oh, like a statue, statue.
Look, I'm trying to talk to the people that want to talk to me back. Have a real conversation without all the attack. You always gave me the pass, you never took with that ass. Never the tip for the tat, now that's a friend of the max. You were always like that though. Came to every in-town show. Always jamming in the front row. Good vibes, Bella Santo.
And nothing could ever stand in our way.